Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about my 4-month iPhone 15 Pro Max update. And we're doing this today because I just hit 100 battery cycles on my iPhone 15 Pro Max as of plugging it in right now. As you can see here, the battery is at 14%, and that is after using it all day. It's currently 1:14 in the morning at the time I'm recording this. So we're going to pop into settings here, and I'll just show you guys. You guys just saw the screenshot on the charge cycles. You can see here battery health is still reporting 100%. Very good there. I have left it on optimized charging the whole time. I don't use the 80% limit, and I don't put it on none. It rarely charges to 80% overnight and then stops, unless I have like an alarm set or something like that. But just the time I plug in my phone, which is usually about 2 to 3 in the morning, it usually just charges right away. But those are my settings. Nothing special there. And then up here, I don't run auto brightness, and that is what I usually leave my brightness on. I don't change it too much. It's probably about 80-85% if I would have to guess. Obviously there's no percentage in there, but you can see auto brightness is not on. So there is that. No issues whatsoever. I would say a majority of the time my phone is either on a wireless car charger or being charged with the Apple MagSafe adapter. I rarely plug it in. When I'm charging it at night, it is mostly the MagSafe adapter. That's what I use probably 99% of the time at night. Only time I really plug it in is if I need a quick top up before I go somewhere, and that's usually not charging the battery from a low percentage to charged. It's usually topping it up. If it's like 50-60%, I'm about to go out for the day, I'll plug it in for 20-30 minutes with the USB-C cable and charge it to whatever it gets to. But I don't do anything special in terms of battery longevity or battery care or anything like that. I just use my phone. If it ever needs a battery replacement, I have Apple Care Plus. There's the Apple self-service program where parts are already available for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I can do it myself. So there's really no reason that I obsess over that. I have seen somebody on Reddit say that their 15 Pro or Pro Max, I forget which one it was, is already down to like 88%, which I find very hard to believe. We pop in here. You can see September 22nd, which is when I got this phone. I believe that's when it came out, I'm pretty sure. If that's not the exact date, sorry, but that's what I remember is when I got it. Actually, let me check my calendar, because I have when I pre-ordered in here, because I saved my pre-order from Apple. Yep, it was September 22nd, because I have my iPhone pre-order that automatically saved in my calendar when I did it on the app. So I pre-ordered on the 15th, and that means I got it on the next Friday, September 22nd, because I got it on release day. So as you can see, that is 108 days, so just under one cycle per day. So like I said, when I'm at work, I usually go about the 60% is where I end the day with when I'm working, and then when I'm off, probably drops down. Well, as you can see, it's 14% right now, and I had plugged it in a little bit to top it back up to 14% for this video, which is what got us to that 100th cycle. So there's that. This hasn't always been my main phone either. Sometimes I was using my OnePlus or my Galaxy Z Flip 5, but I was using this for DoorDash for a while when I was DoorDashing, which I'm not anymore. I was just doing it between when my foot was healing and when I was actually cleared to go back to work. Just in that time frame when I was waiting to actually go back, I DoorDashed for probably about a month, so this was on and off that wireless charger then. Obviously that wasn't adding cycles because it wasn't really dropping, but it was just constantly on and off the charger. So it kept it topped off there and didn't really add any cycles because we weren't going down and up. But that is the 4-month update on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have been using this for about 2 weeks now as my daily driver, and that's where we are at. No issues whatsoever with the battery life or the phone or anything like that. We did have that rocky start with the first couple weeks of release where the phone was overheating, all that kind of stuff, but with the new updates, that has pretty much been resolved. I haven't had too many issues or complaints with that since then. I am running the betas, and I am running, like I said, auto brightness is off So there are a couple things to take in consideration there in terms of battery life and battery health. Obviously, sometimes the newer betas, when they're first released, they do use more battery life throughout the day than you would on a stable release. So this may have an increased cycle count over somebody who either uses their phone a little bit less or who is on a stable build and their battery percentage is not dropping so much throughout the day. So just a couple things to keep into consideration, but that's how I use my phone, and that's what I do in terms of battery health and stuff like that. I don't really do anything special. I don't pay much attention to it. I just use my phone as I want to, and what I do throughout the day, and I, just enjoy my phone. So that is the 15 Pro Max battery health from release day till now, which is January 8th, 2024. I'm calling Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.